Hello children, welcome to Learning with Fun. Children, you all know about red cabbage. Am I right? Yes, it's a vegetable. Today, let's learn something interesting about it. The botanical name of cabbage is Brassica oleracea. Its leaves change color according to pH value of soil. In acidic soil, leaves grow more reddish. In neutral soil, they will grow more purple, while in alkaline soil, plant will produce rather greenish yellow colored cabbages. Red cabbage needs well fertilized soil and sufficient amount of humidity to grow. It's a seasonal plant. Red cabbage contains a water-soluble pigment called anthocyanin that changes color when it reacts with an acid or a base. Shall we include red cabbage in our diet or not? Yes, of course. Red cabbage has a high content of vitamin C and K, containing 44% and 72% respectively. It is also a rich source of vitamin B6 and manganese. It normalizes bowel movement and sugar level. It prevents bone mineral deficiency and cancer as well. Red cabbage is good for eyes even, and with many more benefits. Children, as I said in the beginning, anthocyanin is a pigment that is present in red cabbage and it changes its color in presence of an acid or a base. So children, can I say red cabbage is a natural indicator? Yes, I'm right. Red cabbage is a natural indicator. We use an indicator to test the pH value of a substance. An indicator will change its color in the presence of an acid or a base. Now the question is, how will you prepare red cabbage indicator at home? The first step is chop the cabbage into small pieces until you have about 2 cups of chopped cabbage. Place the chopped cabbage into a pan and cover it water. Simmer for 10 minutes. Sieve the water and cabbage into a bowl. Leave it to cool for about 30 minutes. So, here it is our red cabbage indicator which I have taken in 3 bowls separately. The color of red cabbage indicator is purple itself, as you can see. For acid, I have taken lemon juice. It contains citric acid and baking powder. It is basic in nature. And this is water. Water is considered as a neutral substance. pH value is almost 7. Let's see how red cabbage indicator changes its color with citric acid, baking soda and with water. I'm adding 1 spoon of lemon juice in this bowl and a little quantity of baking powder in another one containing red cabbage indicator, and in third bowl 1 spoon of water. Now you can see color change. In acidic medium, the color has changed into red, and in basic medium, it is green, and in neutral medium, you can see there is no color change. So children, this is all about red cabbage and how can we use it as an indicator, and you can easily observe how red cabbage indicator changes its color in acidic medium, in basic medium and in neutral medium. I hope you will like this activity. I will come back soon with one more interesting topic. Till then, bye bye, take care. Please do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.